Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. So I use this package right now and I took out one because I don't want to make so many. So I am just showing you. I use this kind of cheese. This cheese is the best for this, but you can pick your own kind of cheese what you really the taste of it you like. You will see little lights here. I have skylight and sorry I cannot help it when I am showing you I'm grating my cheese, and I don't like to use it this way. I like to use it this way because this way doesn't hurt my fingers. But you can use any kind of cheese you really like because that will give you the taste. So it's finished, comes out nicely. Because I'm making just a little, I don't want to grate too much. Okay, I need to put a little flour here, make sure it doesn't stick. No paper on the top, bottom. And I like to roll this out a little bit, and that way I get a little bit bigger one or more pieces. It thaws out very fast. That's why I kind of like this dough. Okay, that's it. Done. Done. You don't want to do crooked one. Okay. Okay, 1 egg yolk because I don't make too many, so I just paste it because the cheese can stick to it. This acting like a gluing agent right now. Always you have to check the cheese, the kind of cheese you really like, and taste a little piece, and if it's not salty enough, then you can salt this just like I really do. Because the salt will give you a good taste too. I just clean my hands. Okay, let me put a little bit of salt all over, and now I can spread my cheese. This is this easy because I showed you before when you can do everything from the base. But if you run and you don't have time, but you know you have a guest coming, it's not that hard to make. Let me do a little more here, a little here, and now what you can do, just push it down a little bit, make sure it's not coming off when you're cutting it. Tap it very lightly, very, very lightly. That's it. So this way you know how many you can get from one sheet. If you like to buy this kind, whatever I did, but you can make it from the big sheets too. But you have to decide how big, how wide, how long. It's really up to your taste. But this is for my friend who wanna know how to make it easy. So that's why I don't wanna eat so much, so I just showing for him, but you can see it too. Okay, I have to clean up a little bit. You can spray your pan a little bit, that way the parchment paper stick to it, And basically, I really lately like the already cut parchment paper because it's easier to, I don't have to cut it and bother with that. Okay, I don't want to take too many because you don't want to, I hope you can see it. Just, I told you I don't want to eat too much. That's why I am just showing you the small. Just because I tap it on, it won't come off. And I hope you try it and let me know how it turned out for you. Okay? Just because I'm filming myself cleaning and everything, I have to do it right. And 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we will see. I dedicate this to my friend Les because he likes to cook and bake now because I am teaching him and he enjoys it. And I am so, as you can see, look like this. So I will leave it in the oven on 350 for like 15 minutes or 12 minutes, depend on your oven, because it's thin, so you don't need to bake it too long. But make sure you check it. But don't open the oven until like 10 minutes. It's done, so I just have to wait until it cools up and then I can serve it nicely. And I can save my cheese longer if I put it in the parchment paper. Cover it and put a plastic over it and put it in the fridge. So this will give me more time. Just don't forget to see, if you see these little light things, it's my skylight, so forgive me, okay? It's done. That's how I serve it sometimes, and I think it's the best when it's fresh.